So we are now moving on to Bangiza, and it's quite an interesting piece. It's interesting, why? Because you'll find out that some of the Kutsinera parts can actually be Kushaura parts. So I will be demonstrating all that. And it's also a very important song, as it is one of those songs which has the power to bring the spirit, so you can have an audience with them. So I'll start with the basic Kushaura part. I will now move on to Bangiza Kushaura 2. So as I've said before, different musicians treat parts differently. So the last Kushaura I played, one can play it in a different way. Okay, so we go back to the first Kushaura now, then develop around that first part. So I will demonstrate the part that the new part, then I will also show you how you can join the parts. I'm now going to slightly shift from that part. It's almost similar. I'll start with the original part. Again, I will move to another part which is quite similar to the last two parts.